Okay, so we're doing a testimony time and what the Lord is sharing with you. And so, yep, come on, Heather. So everyone say hi, Heather. Hi, Heather. She's come all the way from Port Hardy to be with us here for such a time as this. Okay, so it's, do you know how, if you know it's how far that is? It's 4 hours up the island. We were actually there with my sister Heather and George where the revival happened, and she's just pouring out graciously. She's a baker as well and has an amazing anointing for baking. So if anyone wants muffins, come and seriously. She used to have a bakery thing that she did, but she totally just poured out and served us and went way out of her way to serve us when we were in Port Hardy. So it's just an amazing connections that God is establishing. We're talking about doing a conference actually in Port Hardy with Apostle George and others there as well. And so here you go. We honor you. Well, everyone say, we honor you. We honor you. We love you. We love you. We receive all you have from God.
So I got a word before I came up here to the conference, and I told Shane, I said that the Lord told me to pack my stethoscope and my CPR mask. And I said, God, why would I need that? And he says, because my love awakens them to life. And the thing that God has been speaking to me today and this weekend has been that that he wants to take out the dirty hearts. He wants to take out the damaged hearts. And he wants to replace it with his heart. He wants to replace it with his heart, and he wants to be in your heart. Yes. He wants to be in your heart. Oh, that he's doing a heart transplant. He's doing a heart transplant, and his blood is becoming your blood. His blood is being released over your life, over your body. Oh, so this afternoon, I had an amazing time. I had an amazing time this afternoon. God has been doing levels of healing in my life. Oh, and it started back in Port Hardy actually when Shane's team came and ministered. And God brought me through some really deep heart issues. And but I felt there was more, and I kept on feeling like there was just this spiritual war going on for my heart. And I was in here last night, and I was in here yesterday, and I was in here this morning, and I kept on feeling this war, this pull. It was like, oh God, I want you so much, but God, I'm so afraid. I'm so afraid of what that looks like. I'm so afraid of the unknown. And today, as we were praying with these wonderful mamas, wonderful grandmas, praying this afternoon, God just really imparted his heart to me and released and freed me from things that have held captive in my life. He released my identity to me. He restored my identity to me. Where a part of my personality had become split off from my body, he restored it to me. He restored it to me in complete wholeness. So when I left, I felt completely whole. I didn't feel like I was split between all these different areas in life. It felt like every single piece had come back to me, and I was made completely whole, and I still completely whole. And I just declare tonight that there is freedom, that there is freedom, that there is freedom! Jesus' name, there's freedom, and God can set you free. And I thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, go for it.
The Lord showed me yesterday when we were praying at 2 o'clock. There's fire in your hands as you worship. There's anointing flowing through the fingertip of your hand, and you are a stronghold breaker for people. Yes. You break stronghold in people's lives.
Bro, come on. No.
There's sparkles on the floor.
Come on. Yeah, come. Come on, Joey. I'm so sorry. Lord, help me. Everyone say, Lord, heal Shane so he can know the names quickly. I'm sorry. I have no faces. Everyone say, hi, Joey. Hi, Joey. We love you, Joey. We believe in you, Joey. We love you. You have an amazing voice, Joey.
Yeah, amazing voice.
Very cool.
Go for it, brother.
Okay, so just a little bit about me. Just telling Shane. I guess I accepted Lord Jesus into my life when I was very young, like 11 or 12 or something, a long time ago. And then I was raised through like a very conservative, conventional church system, right? So then, around 18 or so, I decided that things were kind of boring, I guess, right? And very, very plain. Like I almost felt like I had it all under wraps, and perhaps maybe I would go explore other parts of life, and which I did. So I stopped following God for 5 or 6 years, and all through that time, my father has been studying hard and reworking things, and just most recently, he's been witnessing to me about the power of God, that he's found that there are prophets and people prophesying, and there's power in the Lord's name, and things that I thought didn't exist, perhaps, or I didn't know existed. So from his witnessing, I guess I started, I wanted to come back and see if this is true, and I believe that this is true.
Amen. Praise God.
So, actually, I did.
So he's walking through the prayer line today.
So, when I was walking through the prayer line today, I felt like electricity through my body. Right?
Amen. That's Jesus.
Yeah, that's the first time I felt that, actually. Really. Just in my body, energy in my cheeks, and it was great. It was really great, and I know really accept Lord Jesus into my life, and I'll follow after Him. After this talk to God, right?
I want us all to stretch your hands toward